brought my little monster, my little love monster today. This is Benny, and I'm Heather. Benny also brought his friends. So we're gonna read Love Monster by Rachel Bright. This is a monster. Hello, monster. I think you'll agree he's a little bit funny looking, to say the least. He lives in a world of cute, fluffy things, which makes being funny looking pretty darn hard. You might have noticed that everybody loves kittens and puppies and bunnies, you know, cute, fluffy things. But nobody loves a slightly hairy, I suppose a bit googly-eyed monster. Poor monster. Looks like he's holding a little kitten with his heart. He looks really loving. This might be enough to make a monster feel, well, a bit down in the dumps. But not being the moping around sort, he decided to set out and look for someone who'd love him just the way he was. He looked high, he looked low. He looked middle-ish. It's a little tumbleweed over here. I'm sure you guys see tons of those in Central Oregon. He looked inside and outside. More than once he thought maybe, just maybe, he found what he was looking for. But as it turned out, things were never quite as they seemed. Yes, it would be fair to say that his search did not go well. And then it didn't go well some more. It didn't go well for such a long time, in fact, that it began to get dark and scary and, well, not very nice. So the monster, having lost all his oomph, decided it was time to give up and go home. He missed the bus to Cutesville. But in the blink of a googly eye, everything changed. Or maybe he did take the bus. You see, sometimes when you least expect it, love finds you. So he did find love.